Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You already have Python and an editor. Now start wiring them to the browser. Create a project folder and a virtual environment, then activate it. Once activated, pip install Flask or Fast API, choose Flask for simplicity. Make a minimal app. Py with a route that returns render template. Create a templates folder and add index. HTML. These first steps connect Python code to HTML rendering. You're preparing the server side, so the browser can request dynamic pages. Now implement the data flow so your HTML reflects Python variables. In app, Py add a route that builds a data object and calls render template with keyword args. Once done, open template/index. HTML and insert Jinya expressions where you want data to appear. Make sure to use safe control structures for loops and conditionals. They run on the server before the browser receives HTML. Finally, run Flask run and visit localhost 5000 to see Python-driven HTML render in your browser. Finish by wiring static assets and deployment basics. Move CSS and JS into a static folder and reference them with URL so links resolve correctly. Once done, enable debug mode locally to get helpful error traces, but make sure to turn it off in production. If pages don't load, check that template/ and static/ are spelled correctly and that your app run uses the right host and port. One key troubleshooting tip: template not found usually means incorrect folder name.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.